Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change your username on the SHEIN app. Let's get started. Open the SHEIN app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the SHEIN application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says Me and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see the name of your profile, which you will click on. Clicking on your name will open a new page where you will be taken down to the field where it says Edit Profile and click on it. The application will open a drop-down menu on a new page where you will go down to the nickname option and click on it. And this is where the magic happens. All you have to do is enter a new name in the field and click Save. Your new username should now be updated throughout the application. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your username on the SHEIN app. Whether it's a fresh start or a new look, you're ready now. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.